Guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we're reporting live from our weekly spot. We are at CVS and we're about to get into some pretty good deals. So once again, this week we got another week with no CVS coupons. I know some of you may be getting some, but most of us don't have any CVS coupons. So we're gonna do the best we can and make it work with these limited coupons that we have, and we're still going to make it happen. But I'm going to try to keep the deals pretty simple this week because I really don't want to be in here for a long time. So I'm going to grab what I really want and then we will be on our way. So we're going to start off with an easy moneymaker deal that anyone can do with no coupons needed, and that is on the Nivea products. So these Nivea cream tins right here are on sale for $1.49 in my store. And they are also included in the buy two get $5 and extra bucks promotion. So I can buy two of them for $2.98, then get back $5, making them an easy $2 money maker. And they might be priced a little bit cheaper at your store to make them a bigger money maker. You can also grab the Nivea lip balm if you do have paper coupons. These are 2 for $5, but you want to watch which ones you pick up. We do have a 2 off of 2 paper coupon that'll leave you to pay $3. Then get back to making the lip balm a $2 moneymaker as well. The clearance that I showed you guys in last week's video that was 75% has indeed dropped to 90% off this week. So these items are not marked in my store, but items like these pop sockets are just 99 cents. These chargers right here are just $1.49. Whatever you can find that's left of this summer clearance, it is 90% off. The next easy deal we're going to grab is on the Colgate. This is another deal that anyone can do using no paper coupons. You only need to download these two $4 digitals. So we're going to be doing this spend 10, get 5 on Colgate products. And we are going to be picking up 2 of the toothpaste that are $5.59. So these two are going to total us up to $11.18. If both of those $4 coupons double dip and come off, we will pay just $3.18 at the register. Then we're going to get back a $5 extra buck, making these two babies free plus $1.82 moneymaker. The next deal I'm going to be grabbing is on the Johnson & Johnson baby products. This deal also includes the Aveeno baby products if you want to grab those instead. But these are spend 30, get 10. If you sign up for the Aveeno email list on their website and you do select the option to get baby offers, they will email you these $2 coupons that are good for Johnson's and Aveeno baby products. So I'm going to be using a total of 4 of these today, and I am going to pick up 4 Johnson & Johnson products totaling up to $30. I am going to get a couple for $7.79, and I think I'm going to get a couple for $7.29. And if you don't have access to print these coupons, you can also use the insert coupons for the Johnsons as well. And we have digital coupons for the Aveeno products. There are a lot of different coupon options for this deal. So these 4 are going to total me up to $30.16. I am going to be using 4 of the $2 coupons, and then that is going to leave me to pay $22.16. Then I am going to get back a $10 extra buck. That would leave my cost at $12.16 for all 4. Now we also have an Ibotta rebate for 75 cents back on each one. I'm not sure if that is going to attach to these because that does exclude like other promotions and coupons. That's the first time I've seen that on Ibotta, but I'm going to test it and see if it works anyway. If so, we'll get back $3 from that. We also still have that back to school activate rewards rebate that does include these products. That should give me back $10. So that'll be another $13 coming back from both of those if that Ibotta works out. So that'll make all 4 of these products completely free, or just $2.16 if we don't get the Ibotta money. I have an 8 off of 40 coupon, so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to add in my Colgate toothpaste with my Johnson's product to make these completely free without the rebate needing to be included. So if you're watching this video after the rebate expires, if you have an 8 off of 40 coupon, you can still turn these into a really good deal. So with the 8 off of 40 coming off and all of the other coupons for these deals, I'm going to pay $17.34 at the register approximately. $17.34, then I'm going to get back $10 here, and I'm going to get back $5 $3 here. That would bring my cost all the way down to $2.34. Then we're going to submit back to Ibotta. If we get back that $3, that'll make everything completely free. So let's see how this deal works out. All right, you guys, so I'm going to go check out with this first transaction at self-checkout. These 4 coupons for these products are the only paper coupons that I will be using. Let's see how this deal goes.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
All right, you guys, so that worked out perfectly. Let me show you a close-up of my receipt for this deal. So there is the Nivea, there is the Colgate, there is the Johnson's product. I used the 4 paper coupons for the Johnson & Johnson, and then we had the coupons for the Colgate. They did double dip. I used that 8 off of 40, and then I rolled in a $20 extra buck. That left my subtotal at just 32 cents. Then I did get back $5 for the Colgate. I got back $5 for the Nivea, and I also got back $10 for the Johnson & Johnson. So even with no Ibotta rebate, even with no J&J rebate, this was already a freebie because it only cost us 32 cents for everything. We paid out $20.32 and got back $20. But since we are submitting back for rebates in this deal, I'm going to be getting back $10 on a Visa card for the Johnson & Johnson, and I'm going to be submitting back to Ibotta, and I will let you know. Hopefully it comes back before the end of this video. If I get that $3, I will let you guys know. If we are able to score on both of those, then this transaction was an almost $13 moneymaker. All right, you guys, so that did not take long at all. That $3 came back on Ibotta almost instantly for me. It came back so fast, it was like a Walmart receipt. You know how fast they come back. So that $3 did come back. That transaction is a $13 moneymaker. Now we're gonna grab 2 of these Febreze small spaces. So these are $3.89. Buy one, get one 50% off. They're not on any extra buck promotion. But what I'm gonna be doing is buying one for $3.89 and then one will ring out $1.94. I am going to be using this buy one get one free paper coupon, and I'm going to have my cashier enter in that half price amount, that $1.94. The reason I'm doing that is so that $3.30 off digital will also double dip and come off. So with us saving $1.94 and $3.30 for the digital, that's going to leave our final cost for 2 of these at only 59 cents, or like 30 cents a piece. The next thing we're gonna grab is some General Mills cereal. So we're gonna grab 2 boxes. These are on sale for $1.99 this week, and some of the large size boxes are included in this promotion. So we're gonna pick up 2 of them for $3.98. I have $2 off of 2 digital coupons that are gonna double dip and come off. That's gonna leave us to pay $1.98 at the register. Then we're going to submit back to Ibotta for 50 cents back on each box, making our final cost just 49 cents each. And you may want to check Fetch Rewards as well to see if you have any offers on Fetch. I don't have any that I think will apply to this deal. If you are a fan of this Thayer's facial toner, I noticed it was on a pretty sweet deal this week. These are buy 2, get back $6 in extra bucks. And we also have $3 Ibotta rebates that you can get back for each one. Now, this is a deal that I would add in a percentage off coupon to. So if you have like a 30% off coupon, you can make this deal really, really good. I'm not going to grab any because I don't need them, but I wanted to point it out to you guys. Another thing I'm not going to grab is the Poise. The Poise is buy one, get one 50% off this week, and they are on a spend 30, get 10 along with the Depends. Now I am poised and Depends out after last week. I just don't want to buy any more this week. So I'm going to pass on this promotion, but it also includes the Kotex. The next thing we're gonna do is the all digital deal that anyone can do on the Crest toothpaste if it works correctly. So what we're gonna do is this buy 3 get 5 on the Crest toothpaste this time. So last time we did the Colgate, now we're gonna see what the Crest is doing. So we're gonna pick up 3 of these babies for $3.49. I have a 5 off of 3 digital and a $2 digital that I think are gonna double dip and come off. So these 3 should total us up to $10.47 before our coupons. If we get that $7 in digitals coming off, we'll pay just $3.47 at the register. But then we're gonna get back a $5 extra buck. So that's gonna make these 3 babies free plus $1.53 moneymaker. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna go up and check out with this cereal. We're gonna do the Febreze and I'm gonna do this Crest. I'm gonna have to go to a cashier because of this buy one get one free coupon. And can you put that one in for $1.94 for the half price one? So let me show you a close-up of my receipt for that transaction. I only had one little thing with that one. So there is the General Mills, there's the Crest, there is the Febreze. So there's the one paper coupon. I had her put that in at $1.94. There is the cereal that did double dip. Now where I didn't get a double dip is on the Crest. So only the 5 off of 3 came off for me. No double dip there. I was hoping that that $2 was going to come off as well, but it did not. And then I also used a 2 off of 12 that I had printed on the bottom of my receipt, and I rolled in a $4 extra buck. So we paid out $6.04 in this deal. I did get back $5 in extra bucks for the Crest, and I also submitted back for $1 on Ibotta. So $6.04, we got back 6. That transaction cost 4 cents. Really, it was free because I did get that 4 cents back from Fetch Rewards when I scanned in my receipt for the cereal. And with the Crest, I also wanted to let you guys know that for me, it may not have double dipped because of the ones that I picked up. I talked to my friend Tea Time Tawana, and I asked her if hers double dipped, and she said that it did, but she picked up the larger Crest, the one to the right with scope, and I picked up the smaller ones. I didn't want the ones with the boxes that were all torn open, so I picked up the smaller ones. But if you pick up those larger Crest with scope, they might double dip for you. So I'm going to switch to a second CVS card now because I want to get myself some laundry products. We're going to be doing this spend 30 deal. This is spend 30 get 10 on P&G products this week. So I want to get some Tide because my Tide is getting lower than I would like to in my stockpile. With the way they've been reducing our laundry coupons and our deals, I need to make sure I can stock up on Tide when I can. And since we have had that $13 moneymaker, I'm going to use that $13 to buy myself some detergent. So I'm going to be picking up 2 of the Tide liquids today. These are $12.99. I'm going to be using the $2 digital coupon on one, and then I'm also going to use a $2 paper coupon on one that you can print from the P&G website. The next thing I'm going to grab is this Tide antibacterial spray. You can also get a Downy product. You can get a Bounce product. You can also get some of the Unstoppables. We do have printable coupons for those. I'm going to grab this antibacterial spray because I don't have any of this in my stockpile. And the $2 printable coupon from the P&G website does include this spray. So this is going to be my complete spend 30 deal. This totals up to $31.47. Using 3 $2 coupons, $2 on each product, that would leave us to pay $25.47 at the register, then get back a $10 extra buck, making it $15.47 for all 3 items. Now, once again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add these in with a spend 40 save 8 coupon, and that will reduce the out-of-pocket for this. So if you have a spend 40 save 8 CRT, what you want to do is add in that Colgate with this deal. After that $8 is applied and the rest of the coupons for the deal, that will leave you to pay $20.47 at the register for everything. So you are going to pay $20.47, then you're going to get back $10 in extra bucks for the Tide and $5 in extra bucks for the Colgate. That's going to make our final out of pocket just $5.47 for all 5 items. That's like $1 per item on this, which is amazing. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna go up and check out with this deal. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna pick up the Nivea again first. I'm gonna do that separately so that I can increase the extra bucks on this card, and then I will roll those extra bucks to pay for this deal. All right, you guys, so that spend 40 deal worked out perfectly. Let me show you a close-up of our receipt. So there is the Tide, there's the total. I used the 2 paper coupons for the Tide, and the $2 digital came off as well. No beeps or issues there. And then my 2 Colgate digitals came off once again. I used that 8 off of 40, and then I rolled in $17 in extra bucks. And then that left my subtotal at $365. So we paid out $20.65, just like we expected in this deal. And then we got back $15. So we got back 10 for the spend 30, and we got back 5 for the Colgate. So this transaction with our Tide and our Colgate came up to only $5.65, which once again was like $1 per item, which I think is so good. All right, you guys, so this is my complete CVS haul for today. I told y'all I was going to keep it very simple this week, and I meant that thing. This is probably one of my shortest CVS hauls as far as the amount of time that I have spent in the store, and I am here for it. So I'm just grabbing the things that I really want, and I'm getting up out of here. So this was really good for us today at CVS. Since we had that $13 moneymaker, we spent out $5 and some change of that $13. This right here comes out to a $7 moneymaker, and I could do some more deals to spend some more money, but why would I do that? We're just gonna go ahead and leave it at this $7 moneymaker and be on our way. And I'm really happy with the items that we got for this moneymaker trip. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you as a member of my coupon family. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.